The construction of the Erie Canal, from 1817 to 1825, stands as one of the earliest examples of a massive infrastructure project managed without modern tools or frameworks. Yet, its completion marked a turning point in American engineering and logistics. From a project management perspective, the Erie Canal project reveals valuable lessons in stakeholder engagement, scope management, innovation, and leadership under uncertainty. The Erie Canal was envisioned to connect the Hudson River with the Great Lakes, creating a navigable water route from New York City to the interior of North America. The final canal stretched 363 miles from Albany to Buffalo, cutting through dense forests, swamps, and rocky terrain. The project had clear goals to improve transportation of goods and people, lower shipping costs, and open western lands for settlement and trade. However, the scope of the project was unprecedented. No canal of this length had ever been built in the United States, and few Americans had any experience with such a complex undertaking. The project's main sponsor was New York Governor DeWitt Clinton, who became its key stakeholder and de facto project champion. He faced political opposition and skepticism, and many called it Clinton's folly, but his advocacy helped secure legislative funding and public support. Other stakeholders included New York State Legislature, who were the funders, local governments and towns, which were impacted by construction, engineers and laborers, who made up the project team, and farmers, merchants, and future canal users, who were the beneficiaries. Clinton's ability to align stakeholder interests and communicate a compelling vision played a crucial role in keeping the project on track despite political risks. At the time, there were no trained civil engineers in the United States, so much of the technical knowledge had to be developed during the project itself. The Erie Canal team used a learn-as-you-go approach, a form of progressive elaboration common in modern project management for innovative or first-of-its-kind projects. Innovations included the use of lock systems to manage elevation changes, designing and building aqueducts to carry the canal over rivers, and the creation of canal construction schools to train workers. Despite the lack of experience, teams adapted and experimented. Their success can be compared to modern agile methodologies, where teams iterate, learn, and improve through continuous feedback. Managing labor was a constant challenge. Thousands of workers, many Irish immigrants, were hired to dig the canal by hand, using shovels and wheelbarrows. Work was grueling and dangerous. Coordinating such a large, unskilled workforce required strong leadership, clear task assignments, and a deep understanding of motivation, or what we would now call team dynamics. Material resources were equally difficult to manage. Supplies like timber, stone, and iron were sourced locally when possible, and transportation had to be organized across undeveloped terrain. This required early forms of supply chain and logistics management. The canal faced numerous risks, technical failures. Would the locks work? Environmental challenges like disease and flooding, and of course cost overruns and political opposition. By today's standards, the project would be classified as high risk and high complexity. Yet through adaptive leadership and continuous problem solving, risks were mitigated and controlled. The Erie Canal was completed on time and under budget, a remarkable feat for its era. It transformed New York into a commercial powerhouse, drastically reduced transportation costs, and helped fuel America's westward expansion. From a modern perspective, the Erie Canal offers insights into managing megaprojects without full technical knowledge, the importance of a visionary project sponsor innovation under constraint, and the value of communication, adaptability, and persistence.